Welcome to the Daily Meditation for Peace. This reflection is part of our healing series, and today's meditation is titled Restoring Energy Through Stillness. So take a moment, get yourself settled and away from distractions, and when you're ready, let's get started. Take a deep breath in and release. And allow your body to release its tension. Shake it out. And take a deep breath in, going into soul center, tapping into the light. And on the exhale, see that light moving through your mind and your body, illuminating every cell, every fiber, pushing out the darkness. On the exhale, and take another deep breath in, merging with the light, allowing that love to heal your mind and your body with the illumination of the light. On the exhale, bringing that out into the world. And taking one more deep breath, merging with the love and the light, tapping into the stillness, the peace, and let it expand outward through your body and out into the world. And find your stillness. Find your normal breath. And stillness is not laziness. It is restoration. This moment is here to refill what has been emptied. With each breath, allow your energy to return. You do not have to earn rest. Stillness is sacred. When you slow down, you make room for divine renewal. Like the earth after rain, your spirit is soaking in what it needs. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to heal. And affirm, in stillness, I am restored. My energy is returning. And again, in stillness, I am restored. My energy is returning. Imagine yourself lying in a quiet meadow, feeling the softness of the grass around you, beneath a wide blue sky. The sun is gently shining down. The breeze is light. And the earth is holding you, recharging you with her love and her healing properties. Let yourself fully rest here in this space. No effort, no striving, just being. and bring your attention back to the present. Feeling restored, feeling peaceful. Allow yourself to start to be present in this moment. Allow yourself to be in the peace, in the healing, and affirm, in stillness I am restored, my energy is returning. In stillness I am restored, my energy is returning. I am whole, I am loved, I am divine, and I am at peace. And so it is. Amen and amen.
May stillness continue to be your sacred refuge, a gentle space where your energy is restored and your spirit renewed. Thank you for sharing this quiet, healing moment with us. This meditation, Restoring Energy Through Stillness, is part of our daily Meditation for Peace series, created to remind you that rest is holy and you never have to earn it. May your breath stay calm, your body feel supported, and your soul remember, in stillness you are restored. Your energy is returning, you are whole, you are loved, you are divine, and all is well. To explore more meditations, soulful resources, and ways to stay connected, visit us at spirituallycentered.org. Until next time, take a deep breath and let it be well with your soul. Copyright 2025, Reverend Sharon Renae. Produced by Rick Lowe.